In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to generate a professional YouTube tutorial script. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the Perplexity Pro homepage, ready to begin my research. I'll click into the search bar and type in my prompt, asking for a 5-minute script on AI color grading that includes a hook and B-roll suggestions. Once I hit submit, the AI starts building out the content immediately. Perplexity AI is incredibly efficient because it uses advanced search models to provide comprehensive and well-structured information in real time. As you can see, it's generating a strong hook and a clear title for the video. It then moves into the introduction and breaks down specific sections like what AI color grading actually does and the best tools currently available. It even includes a detailed step-by-step workflow with specific visual suggestions to help plan the final edit. This tool really streamlines the entire pre-production phase and saves me a lot of brainstorming time. I'm scrolling through the results now to make sure everything is covered and the tone is right. Once it's finished generating, I'll select all the text and copy it to my clipboard. Now, I'll switch over to a fresh Google Doc and paste the content directly into the document. I can now scroll through and see that everything has transferred perfectly with all the original formatting intact. This gives me a polished starting point that I can now customize for my own project. It's that easy to jumpstart your creative process with AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.